When the OpenAI was launched some time back, a lot of organizations got skeptical about my employees using that for generating solutions, my colleagues putting data, confidential data into it, which might get absorbed somewhere in their systems. So, which is why I think a lot of organizations now, and rightly so, have started with their own versions of GPT, right? AI generated. So one is that is one of the ethical considerations for sure. Second, we talk about consideration or challenge, so to say, about the bias. Whether, and we were talking about it earlier, whether or not the algorithms that are being built for the AI generated chatbots or systems, whoever is building that, are their personal biases getting induced into it? And one way probably to mitigate it, like any other project, is that it passes in the UAT stage through as many perspectives, as many stakeholders as it can. The third would be in terms of the largely talked about subject of human touch. So again, if I talk about me as an HR over here, whether or not my colleague would like to talk to a chatbot if she has some grievance for the company, right? Or would she like to talk to me as her HRBP? But here again, I think it's a fine line between really the transactional topics being talked about on AI, and let's say through a chatbot you're getting certain answers, and AI being used to augment the role of a human. So I think these are some of the ethical considerations that need to be kept in mind before launching a system like that, an AI system like that, and in general, the companies should be conscious about.